you're interested in learning a digital or tech skill, one of the things stopping you or holding you back is not knowing what you want to do or what you should learn or how to get started. In this video, I'm going to share useful tips to get you started and also how you can best utilize LinkedIn and EduPills to support your journey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. First and foremost, you want to write out your skill sets, your strengths, and your interests. Now go over to research tech roles or digital skills that aligns with your interests. Once you've done that, you should have about 4 to 5 desired roles. How do you know if any of this is a great fit for you? Now here's where LinkedIn come in. So you want to go to LinkedIn. For instance, you're choosing product management. You want to go to LinkedIn and search for product managers. Go over to have their work experience, check the industries they work with to see if it aligns with your interests, and go over to see what their job description is like. Do this for about 10 to 15 product managers. Somehow, you're going to have a better understanding of what these roles entail or what you can use this skill set to do as well. Once you have done that, the second step would be to go to job boards on LinkedIn and check job descriptions for product managers. So just search for product manager jobs, whether product manager interns. If you're just starting out, that's the role you want to check out. Now go to the JD, the job descriptions, and read through them thoroughly. You can do this for over 20 companies. The reason why I said you should do this for over 10 to 20 companies is that different companies have different JDs. However, the major or specific skill sets or job roles required from you as a product manager would cut across all these various companies in their job description. So once you've done that, you're going to have a better understanding on what that role would entail on a day-to-day basis. So you see, you're already checking out if your interest, your strength, or your skill set aligns with that tech role or digital skill you are trying to learn. This should help you narrow down your interests at this time. Once you've decided which you want to start with, it's time to figure out how to learn your skill. Go back to those product managers. For instance, I'm using product manager as an example. So go back to those product managers on LinkedIn, go down to their certifications and see what certifications they have taken to support their growth. Do this, like I said, for over 10 to 15 product managers. You are definitely going to see certifications that are top of the list, certifications that you can afford at the time, as well as certifications that are for free. This is how you can get started on the right track. With all this information, and if you follow this step diligently, you're about to get started in a few days. To make it more interesting, you can have access to people who are currently working as product managers or product designers or developers or what have you. This is where EduPills comes in. EduPills give you access to mentors in your niche or in your area. All you need to do is sign up to EduPills, search for product managers who are available to mentor on EduPills or any desired role, book a session with them, and ask all your questions as regards that role or skill set, and it is all for free. So this is how you can leverage both LinkedIn and EduPills to accelerate your growth. If you have any questions concerning learning a digital or tech skill, drop it in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, drop it as well in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.